Welcome everyone. So yesterday we discussed that acids when they are dissolved in water they are producing H plus ion or hydrogen ion, and bases when they are dissolved in water they are producing OH minus ion or hydroxide ions. Today also we will discuss about this concept but in relation with neutralization reaction. So it is given here that now as we have identified that all acids generate H plus aqueous and all bases generate OH minus aqueous, we can view the neutralization reaction as follows. So here you can see that with the ions H plus and OH minus they have put the physical state as aqueous. The simple reason is that because you are getting these ions when you are dissolving acids and bases in water. So these ions they are getting produced in water. So the general chemical equation for neutralization reaction is given acid plus base, it gives salt and water. This we have also discussed previously when we were discussing about the chemical properties of acids and bases. Here basically we are going to discuss how to make the products, that means how to make salt and water as the product when acid and base they are reacting. So to understand this, here we are not going to take any particular any specific acid or basic compound. We will simply take the general formula of any acid or base. So for acid here we have taken HX and for base we have taken MOH. So HX is an acid. If you are dissolving this acid in water, then you are getting the ions as H plus and X minus. Same way MOH as a base, if you are dissolving this in water, then you are getting M plus and OH minus as the ions. So these ions you are getting when you are dissolving acid and base in water. Now when you are mixing the aqueous solution of acid and aqueous solution of base with each other, then what will happen, you are getting 4 ions. Now on the basis of 4 ions, your salt and water as a product is getting formed. So always water, how it is getting formed? Water is getting formed when H plus of acid and OH minus of base, they both are getting combined, then you are getting H2O as the product. So that is also they have represented in the next chemical equation. You can see H plus aqueous and OH minus aqueous, it gives you H2O. Now what is left in that solution? So the left part is X minus ion of the acid, or you can also say the negative ion of the acid and the positive ion of the base. When they are combining, then you are getting salt. For example, let us take one example, although it is not given here. For acid let us take HCl and for base let us take NaOH. So if you are dissolving HCl in water, you are getting H plus and Cl minus as the ions, whereas if you are dissolving NaOH in water, then you are getting Na plus and OH minus as the ions. So how water is getting formed? When H plus of acid and OH minus of base, they both are getting combined, then you are getting H2O as the product. Whereas how to form the salt? So what ions are left? The ions which are left are Na plus of base, which is cation, and Cl minus of acid, which is anion. When these two are getting combined, then you are getting salt. So like this, you can take any acid, you can take any base, you will be easily able to understand what kind of product will form, because H2O is common, H2O will form in each and every case, and you have understood how H2O is getting formed. Apart from H plus and OH minus ion, whatever the two other ions are left, those two ions they are going to combine, and with that you are getting the salt as a product. So you just remember this and you can make a product for any of the neutralization reaction. Now tomorrow we will be discussing about activity 2.10. It's very easy and I think you must be knowing about this also. So that we are going to discuss tomorrow. Thank you.